Morning guys, welcome back to Cruising as Crew. My name is Lucy and I can't believe that I'm going to say this, but today is my last day on board the Scarlet Lady. I'm flying home tomorrow. I have finished my contract, like nothing bad has happened. My contract's just finished. Unbelievable. To be quite honest, I haven't really acknowledged the fact that I'm going home yet, so I'm not feeling sad. I'm not really feeling anything because, as I said, I just haven't even processed the fact that I'm going home. But anyway, so your last day on any ship, there's a lot of stuff to do. So I'm going to bring you with me today and you're going to see what you have to do on your last day on board. So the first thing, because of obviously the times that we are in, is I had to book like a 2-day PCR test and fill in the locator form. So it is 7:30 in the morning and I literally woke up and just banged that out this morning. And then yesterday I had a sign-off meeting where I was given my flight details and also a check-off list, which you will get on any ship. And basically I will read you what is on the check-off list. PCR test. So because of the times that we are in, the first thing I have to do is go and get a PCR test for flying home. Crew devices. So I mentioned in a previous video that like all crew members get one of these. For us who work in the shops, it's how we charge. It's also how the restaurants charge. Anyway, you don't get this on other ships. But for this ship, I have to go and return this. So that's on deck 14, I think. Uniform. Obviously, I was given my uniform, so I have to go and give it back. I have luggage inspection this evening. I have to go and hand my safety card back. I have to go and settle my crew account. So basically I have to do all of those things. I also need to pack today. And then when you do all of those things, you get a signature, and then tomorrow when I leave the ship, I will hand this in. They will double check that I have got everything signed. If you don't have everything signed, you can't leave, or it's going to delay leaving. But yeah, so that is my day in a nutshell. So it is time to go and get this PCR test done, so let's go.
Perfect.
Thank you. Okay, so I have just done my PCR test. Now I am going to give my safety card back. Yeah. Wonderful. Thank you so much.
Oh.
Amazing.
How are you?
I'm okay. Here's my safety card.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Enjoy your vacation.
Have a good day.
Bye-bye.
So this is all my uniform, so I'm now going to take this back to the uniform place. Okay, so PCR test done, uniform handed in, and safety card done. Very productive, and then everything else I have to do later on in the day. So I'm going to go and have some breakfast in the mess and then some packing. So I just finished having breakfast. And now I'm going to go and start packing. Oh. I don't know how long. This could either take like 1 hour or 5. So for those of you who are coming, just so you know, there's a compartment under the bed for your cases, because I don't think a lot of people know that. So I've gone into cabins before now, like people just have the suitcases in the middle of their room and I'm like, how are you even living? Because as you can see, it's not a big space. But yeah, it's because people don't know that there's a big compartment under the bed specifically for your suitcases. So Usually the last day of the cruise would be a sea day, so you would have packed your case like on the last port day, and then you'd do your sea day, obviously, where you'd be working all day, and you'd have to try and get everything signed around being at work. But very fortunate, we're in Bimini in the Bahamas, and tomorrow we're in Miami, so this is my last day. And as you probably know, we basically have the whole of Bimini off, and then we just work in the evenings in Bimini, which means that I have got the whole day today to pack. Hopefully it's not going to take me the whole day. So the idea is I want to get packed, get ready, and then go to the beach and just enjoy my last day at the beach. So, very exciting. I am all packed. Within reason, obviously I've left out a few clothes that I'm going to wear for the rest of the day, and obviously I'm working this evening, so I've still got my uniform, but all done, all packed up, which is mad. So now we are walking to the shop. We're going to get a few beers and go and sit on the beach. And I'm going to enjoy my last day of sunshine before I get back to the UK, and it is pouring down with rain. But no, it's going to be nice. So all my team, well, whoever wants to join, I've said can join me on the beach at 4. So yeah, hopefully people turn up, otherwise I'm just going to be sat on a beach alone drinking a beer, so that'll be quite sad.
Could really use a change of scenery. Yeah. Everybody smoking all the greenery. Yeah. Close the match 'cause they were handed down to me. But I'm still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go. It could all be worse, I could be a hater like you. It could all be worse. Pills to make the man, but that poison's gonna chew you. From the inside out, so right now, say it with your chest now, say it with your chest now. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time, it's my time to ride it. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody take me here and now. It's my time to run it out. It's my time, it's my time to ride it out. It's your time, oh.
So I have just got back from the beach. I've just had a shower. I'm just feeling really thankful for today. It was so lovely to have a few beers on the beach with my teammates, who are just amazing. I've said it before and I'll say it again, the best people that I have ever had the pleasure of working with. But anyway, come back, had a shower. Julia is going to plait my hair, so I'm going to go around to hers now, and then we're going to have dinner, and then I'm going to get ready for work and go for my last shift at work on the Scarlet Lady, which is just mental. Hello. I suppose it's a good thing that I'm crying because I don't want to leave. So now I'm gonna get my uniform on. So I'm gonna get myself together, get my uniform on, go for dinner, and then go to work. Woohoo! Now I have to go and take my bags to be checked. So I'm going to take them from my cabin, take them to security so they can just make sure there's nothing dangerous in there. Let's get the bags checked. Hello. Becky, you're going home too. Okay. Gonna go through security and then get checked.
Good evening. You guys have been generally wonderful, and Lucy's been a huge, huge part of that. I think you're going to miss hearing her laugh from as far back as the women's lifestyle locker. So honestly, just from my side, Lucy, thank you so much for your contribution, for who you are, and just being inclusive. Lucy, over to you.
I have loved this contract, and I just said to Matt, like, every day, one of you has made me laugh, and I've been happy every day, and thank you so much for that.
We love you, Then, let's say goodbye now.
Yeah.
Positivo, positivo. Positivo para Brasil y Amparo.
Please, that entire video of you guys going.